Do things feel less intimate with your partner than they did before? You probably coordinate everyday life using established routines, but you may have forgotten to take care of your relationship. Every relationship requires some loving attention, and Remainly provides practical advice from people who have professional knowledge about relationships. In order to rebuild intimacy, it's important to start talking. Not necessarily about difficult themes, but you need to start discussing something other than practical, everyday matters. You need to play gracefully with ideas. We suggest topics that have proven beneficial for couples in many countries. The content has been created by me, Andreas Løsnarum. I'm a certified psychologist from Norway. All of the techniques on Remainly are well tried and validated. I know that many people can improve their quality of life if they learn these basic techniques. A good relationship means increased happiness, more intimacy, and even a longer life. Try Remainly today.